So I am in Cappadocia in Uçhisar, riding around the scooter today and checking out the area. It's pretty amazing. This place is called Love Valley. Hello guys, so I'm in Cappadocia in the town of Uçhisar, and it's a small village with a fair amount of fairy chimneys, but it is home to the largest fairy chimney, which is this giant castle. And it's been in use since the Byzantine times. It houses around 1,000 people, but at this point you can only be on the outside. The inner passageways are blocked off, but very beautiful here. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so just leaving the castle right now, and the cost was 40 lira to go up to the top. So beautiful views. I would definitely recommend it. Just getting close to it's a pretty impressive sight. So the town itself, I haven't been here long, seems a bit touristic, but you know, it's beautiful. What's up guys, from Göreme. So I rented a scooter out to explore this region, this town a little bit, because things are pretty spread out, and I've done some walking, but I figured I would get a scooter today. So this is my little scooter. Not the cheapest thing in the world to rent. It was 350 lira, so about $21 for just 4 hours. But that's all I need, so I've just come up to the top, some viewpoint, to look at these famous fairy chimneys. It's a nice cool day, not too hot. I'm thinking I might roll down there and try to walk around, but we'll see. Yeah, the famous fairy chimneys, and this place is called Love Valley, but I'm calling it Dick Valley because that's what they look like. So yeah, let's go explore a little bit. It's just like a tiny little touristy town. I wonder if it was okay to put my bike. It's kind of all on its own there, huh? Well, hopefully it is. So Love Valley. I don't know why they call it that. I mean, they got like little hearts and shit everywhere, but it's really like fairy chimneys that look like penises, you know? Little ponies. So ATV rentals seem to be very popular here. I know they're more expensive than a scooter, but I didn't even check how much. I'm pretty sure it's possible to just rent one out if you want and not go on a tour like a lot of people seem to be doing. Very touristic little area here.
¿Lo vas a comprar? A ver, compre.
Atlas gel böyle. Oğlum gelsene böyle.
My name is Cevdet Çulha.
Olur mu?
Asıl soru bu.
So that's it for this viewpoint, Love Valley. Okay, well, we'll take a few more photos up here, and then I think I'm gonna go down and maybe try to wander around down there. Yeah, we'll see. Or just go putting around on the moped, the scooter today, and enjoy the ride, you know, enjoy the breeze. Okay, so I'm just driving around and saw this. So let's go check it out. ATV would have been better rental than what I have. The scooter can't handle a lot of these little roads, but I parked it because I saw this. I'm gonna go check it out. They thought about building another cave hotel in here and some donkey droppings. What looks like donkey shit anyways. Carrying my little helmet that I have to wear in case I get stopped by police. Apparently you can be charged up to 1,000 lira for not wearing this stupid helmet, so somebody had a fire. What the hell? So that's cool. I was on my way to Rose Valley, but the path that I'm taking, or how to get there from where I was coming from, is not doable on my little scooter, so I'm gonna turn back around, hit some main roads, maybe go to other places, or if there's a different route that doesn't require me going on these paths, which are basically only walkable or with an ATV. But still beautiful riding around this area. I wish I could record it, but I don't have a mount for a helmet, and the scooter is like nowhere to put the camera, so, but trust me, it's beautiful. So yeah, let's keep exploring. So I'm just standing overlooking Göreme. We have Rose Valley, Red Valley. I was down there exploring earlier. Göreme city center, and off in the distance that big mountain, Uçhisar Castle. And I'm just riding around the scooter today and checking out the area. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, very fortunate to be here, very beautiful. So, a lot of ATVs out here, a whole tour of like 30 people. But very amazing, very beautiful. Yeah. All right, well, see you guys later.